This is the job set up in EngraveLab. I just matrixed, or in EngraveLab they call it an array. I just put 2 across, or 2 up and 4 across, and then I have the dog bone unit right next to it. Did an outline around it so that I can cut the bevel. And this is the cut that I did, just with a little bit of guessing. I'm going to go ahead and send the top crest needed to be 071 high. So let me go ahead and just engrave one. I just put a mark on the material. And all I'm going to do is just hit the start button to send it. Now this is just going to do the bevel. And I'm using a dry vac for this material. Now just so you can see, these are the parts that I already cut. This is anodized aluminum. This is just happened to be some brass that I cut, and you can see those areas right over here. If I can loosen this a little bit. Just happened to be a piece of satin brass that I had available. Those were the 2 cuts from the satin brass, and I did put on a piece of anodized aluminum, which is about 025, which is right here, black. That's why it was black on both sides. And here it is, just cutting the bevel. I'll see if I can get a real wide angle. This is just the tool putting a 45-degree bevel. This has already got the bevel in it. Right now I'm going down about 100 thousandths deep with a single fluted end mill. It's 2 millimeter. The second pass I'll go all the rest of the way through. This is the final step for cutting out these parts. So I'm just going to hit this, turn it to auto, and hit the start button. I'm going to use this screwdriver to hold it down so the parts don't come flying out. Because it's pretty safe, I can actually even just use my finger, but it's a little easier to get in there on these smaller parts.
Sorry.